Hi guys, welcome to my channel on this lovely Sunday. I am just making some background papers with stamps, having some fun. I am on call right now, so I only have a few minutes, so I thought I would do this because it's relaxing. I don't have a plan for this page. It could be tear paper, collage paper. Honestly, you could use it for whatever. It's just nice to have papers made and ready to go. And it's kind of like collaging with stamps. Let's see, I gotta get situated. I need my stamper in like one central area. Some layering with stamping maybe. Let's see what other background stamp I have. I want maybe get a background down first. We'll see. I don't know. Have you guys ever done this? Just played around with stamps? I have a billion, so I have my camera on a different stand so that I can do this without shaking my camera. It's a tight space that I have to work in where my mount reaches me. So sorry if the view isn't great but I can shake my table. Well, I guess my camera might have shook then. It shouldn't. All right. So I'm kind of having the orientation of this be, I guess, this way, but it doesn't matter. I have this funky stamp. Let's see if it does anything. Just kind of, it's kind of good for filling in, making it look like vintagey maybe. I'll do that later. What are you guys up to today? Oops, I put that on backwards. Let's see. Yep, and it fell off. I just cleaned the stamp pad too. Oh well, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set it here. I'm gonna like that. Why not? Let's do some lines. Give me some ideas on what you guys do with your stamps. Yes, I could do different color stamp pads, but I'm not because I'm probably gonna I'm gonna paint this. I'm gonna do something with it. I'm gonna make it colorful in the end, so. Let's see. This is my favorite stamp. Well, it didn't work very well, but it says burn after reading. Oh, I like the key. You guys, I have a bazillion stamps, like a bazillion. A lot of it is because I went on a craft haul a year ago, 2 years ago, I'm not quite sure. And a lady was getting rid of all of her stuff. She was elderly and just never gonna do it again. And she gave me everything for free. I took a carload, boxes and boxes from top to bottom of my car, filled with supplies. Lots of these stamps. I've also thrifted a bunch. And one of my hauls, I got these foam flowers. Don't know which haul it was, but I've collected a lot of things just over the years. Nope, that one didn't work. It's got paint on it. Some of these aren't gonna work, the foam ones, because I got acrylic paint on them. I'm repeating some stamps because this is tear paper, so it's not going to be just one project. And I love this stamp, as you guys know, if you know me. I got this little, I'll show you what it looks like. I love this one too. Oops. It's got paint on it, so it's not real bright, but it's, I don't know, it's just like a squiggle. Okay, let's see. why not? Numbers are fun. This is 9. Maybe I'll make it 2 numbers. I'll make it 93. How would it turn out? Is that enough numbers? I could do numbers everywhere. Maybe I'll do some more. Maybe I'll do some right here. Now I need to fill in this background with something. Probably do more of these. It doesn't matter what it is as long as it's filled in, because it's gonna get layered. Okay. Oh, I gotta remember to stay close over here because my camera only reaches so far. So I hope some of that wasn't out of frame. If it was, well, darn it. This is cursive. I don't know if it'll. Okay, so it is good for background. Might not be able to see it a lot on this video, but it just adds a little bit of background. Starting to look kind of fun. All right, I've had it with that little stamp. Let's see here. What else? Let me do a little bit more of that. Okay. Let's see. Thought I got out a stamp I wanted, but now I don't know where I put it. Oh well. I'll do some of these maybe. Doesn't really matter what it is, I don't think, because I think it just looks cool and fun no matter what. Some words. Just hang it off a little bit. Should probably put less pressure so it's not so. That one's like okay. Maybe I'll do some more of this because I like this little weed plant thingy. Just kind of put it throughout here a little bit. Add some filler. It's looking kind of busy and crazy, probably ready to be torn up. And of course, you could keep going and going. You could take distress oxides and really just, give it a color once this ink you think is dry. But I am going to do something different with this. To be continued on another video. For now, this is what I'm doing. I think it's good enough. I think it's busy enough. I think. I'm gonna do, oops. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just adding. It doesn't need anything else. It's good. Right? Okay. I have one next to me that I already started a little bit, so I'll just play around on that one. I started it, and then the video was too shaky, so I started over. And put my stand on another, I don't know, a little shelfie thing next to me, but it's the arm of the camera stand doesn't reach my table very well, so I'm gonna have to come up with another plan. This one I'm gonna do kind of botanically, I think. I say that now, and then I'll do something totally different, so bear with me. Let's see. I do need background first. Just not sure what I want to do, because I just don't know what I want to do. But this stuff will be perfect, just tearing up a piece and using it in a collage or on a snippet strip. You can do all the journal things with these. Here's a pack of Dollar Tree botanicals. Let's get these babies out. And I have to remember to stay in frame. So that means I need to give myself some space and move these stamps. Okay. I think, oh, you guys can see me. I thought I was more out of frame than I was, but I'm not. Ooh. Okay. That one's okay. Love these botanicals, actually. I've seen better. Try this one, see what it looks like. Oh, I like that one. What I'm gonna do is put more of this on there for background, because I think this is perfect for adding the background before I add detail. I love it because it's one piece and I just do it this way. Do it a little bit more over there. Okay. I know it looks real messy right now. It'll get better. Or maybe it won't. I don't know. Who knows? A little bit of butterfly in there. Can't ever go wrong with butterflies. All right, let's see. What shall we do? I have this urge. I have another big butterfly. I have this urge to do some of those girl faces, but I don't know if they'll show up on here because it's so busy. Oops. A lot of butterflies. Okay. Let me try it out. And this is how I do it, you guys. Sorry. I just do it from here. I don't feel like getting another pad out right now. Or I'm sorry, one of the stamper thingies. I don't know what I'm saying. Plus I lose stamps. This is the best way. Ooh, I like that. Let's do this girl. I wonder if I can do her right here too. It's kind of in the background. Looks kind of cool. I might do that girl, this girl again. Because I'm digging it. Do her right here. She didn't show up very well. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I might try this girl one more time. Press harder. It's just busy. They're just busy. Do I have room for her? It's like I almost don't. I'll try her right here. Ooh, if you press hard, it looks good. I love that. I love that. I love that. I'm obsessed now. All right. Now, basically, I just need to fill in. I need to do a little bit of numbers. Oops, I did it right on her face. That's all right. I'll have to be careful next time. Trying to think what else I can do. Oh, I guess I gotta do a little bit of this background stamp. I just have little white spots in here. It's very busy, that's for sure. Almost done with this one. I think there's enough on it. The only thing I might do is, well, if I can find it, I like this number stamp because it puts numbers on just so slightly. Let's see. I love my numbers, you guys. All right, that's good. So I'm gonna wrap it up because I gotta get back to waiting to see if I have to go out for visits today. But here's a couple backgrounds to be continued, and I'll show you what they look like once I color them up. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.